Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is project tailoring. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and important, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, Tailor in project management is the act of choosing the process related inputs and outputs of the project carefully to determine the subset of the processes to be included in the management approach of the project. It also involves adopting the specifications and requirements of the project to the current needs of the operation. To tailor a project, reviewing, modifying, and supplementing the project data is usually done. This project management process ensures that the project is performed in accordance to the requirements of the organization. This process is intended to aid the project management team in planning, controlling, and governing the use of the project and deliverables appropriately so that the project team can work in the project deployment. Examples of tailoring that are common in project management includes the addition and removal of tasks and work products, changing milestones and their state of completion, responsibilities for review and approval, and detailed procedures for performing measurements and managing requirements. Once the process tailoring is completed, deployment usually follows. However, the deployment may vary depending on the degree of the changes made. For instance, if the changes are minor, simple briefing may be needed to the affected stakeholders. Big changes, on the other hand, requires the entire workshops team familiarized with the process. Tailoring is an essential concept used in project management. The PMBOK guide mentions tailoring several times, emphasizing its importance in the project management field. So, tailoring, what are the benefits of tailoring your project management methodology? What are the negative of tailoring? How can you tailor your project methodology? When project managers usually apply project management methodology to their work. Methodology is a term that refers to an arrangement of practices, techniques, procedures, and rules adopted by those who work in a specific discipline. A methodology is an appropriate, professional, repeatable, standardized, and documented collection of processes, tools, techniques, and templates that you choose to use. Tailoring is the process of choosing which of these are appropriate to use on any given project. One size doesn't fit all. The adverse outcomes in the absence of a defined and appropriate project management methodology are inefficiencies, decreased morale, decreased repeat business, financial losses, fewer chances of delivering successful projects. The perks of having a defined and appropriate methodology: efficient project management activities, better chances of project success, processing the right processes, template, documents, and guidelines. Program and portfolio managers can access standardized information for reporting and assessments. In project tailoring, the project manager chooses appropriate project management operational components to manage a project. There is no need for every single process, input, tool, technique, or output to be used on every project. The project manager typically collaborates with the project team, sponsor, and organizational management in the tailoring process. The Project Management Institute defines tailoring in the PMBOK Guide 6th edition as determining the appropriate combination of processes, inputs, tools, techniques, outputs, and life cycle phases to manage a project. A project manager should use tailoring to fit the uniqueness of every project. Tailoring should also address the competing constraints of scope, schedule, cost, resources, quality, and risk. Project managers tailor the strategy for managing these constraints based on the environment, organizational culture, stakeholder needs, and other ongoing variables. A project manager should also examine changing levels of governance that may be required within the project. Project management consultants, like this says, the process of tailoring is a process of customizing a project management methodology. The result of tailoring is that the project management methodology will be suitable for use in specific types of projects, and a tailored methodology will reflect the size, complexity, and duration of the project as appropriate for the organizational context, along with adaptation to the industry within which the project is undertaken. The additional option to tailoring is using an unmodified, unified, off the shelf project management methodology. These methodologies are available and accessible by running a quick online search and can usually be purchased for a fee. A project manager must know that these uniform methodologies are not customized to the organization's context. People often erroneously assume that because it works for someone else that it will work for them as well. These broad types of methodologies shouldn't be applied to every project. Some experts claim that these one size fits all approaches are counterproductive and rarely lead to project management success. These options are not overall terrible, but they are not as good as your own tailored methodology, which should be flexible and scalable enough to use on all your projects. So here are some signs that project management methodology is not tailored correctly. Project team members are not using the methodology. Project team members are independently modifying the methodology. Your methodology features process for the sake of process. Your methodology is a one size fits all approach to projects of differing size and complexity. The benefits of a tailored approach to your project management methodology are buy in from team members, customer oriented focus, focus on best for project approach, more efficient use of project resources. The steps to develop a tailored project methodology are identify types or projects, identify inputs, identify constraints, identify resources, develop and document the methodology, drive output, contact continuous improvement, monitor key performance indicators, repeat for each of the different projects. So these are the few things which we have discussed, friend. Friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer your questions. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and thanks a lot. Thank you.